There's a new Midjourney parameter that's changing everything about how your images look, and almost nobody's talking about it. It's called EXP, and it's the secret weapon that can take your images from pretty good to mind-blowing. So I've made over 77,000 images in Midjourney, and I can tell you the EXP parameter is the power move you need in your daily toolbox, and here's why. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use EXP to create images with more detail, more creativity, and more visual impact than you thought possible. So what exactly is the EXP parameter? Well, it stands for experimental, and it's Midjourney's newest knob to twist. Think of it like the stylize parameter's cooler, more unpredictable cousin. While stylize changes how creative Midjourney uses your prompt, EXP changes how dynamic and detailed your results become. The difference might seem subtle at first, but wait until you see what happens when we dial it up. Need a little convincing? Let's take an EXP taste test. Let me show you how the exact same prompt with and without EXP. Here's our prompt. Grizzly bear, mountain trail, Zentangle drawing, pen and ink, flat tan background. And we're going to keep the style set to 100 for all of these. Here's the first image, which is just the normal prompt, nothing new or special. And here's the next, which uses the EXP parameter of 40. Can you see the difference? The one with EXP has more depth, more interesting color scheme, and details that you can get lost in. But here's where it gets interesting. Most parameters in Midjourney have a sweet spot, and EXP is no different. The range goes from 0 to 100, with 0 being the default. But here's the part no one talks about. The magic happens between 15 and 50. So let me show you with our same bear prompt sequence. Here's our bear again, and we're starting at EXP 0. Here's EXP 5, 15, 25, and 50. Notice how the details get richer, colors get deeper, and the bear becomes more decorative and stylized the higher the EXP value. But watch what happens after 50. Here's EXP 75 and 100. Not much difference, right? That's because the parameter maxes out its effect around 50. So how does this work? So stay with me. This might sound a little bit technical, but it's actually super simple to use. We're going to see some EXP in action with some real world examples. The next image is a portrait prompt, and we're not using any EXP parameters to begin with. Here's our base prompt just for testing. Okay, this is where EXP can become a power tool that's going to help drive a better image. So let me show you how we can combine this with other parameters. Here's EXP 15, and we've combined it with stylize 500. Same EXP 15, but now we've added an SREF code. And here's everything, including the SREF code, but now we're modulating the SREF code with a style weight of 80. That style weight helps control the level of the influence of the SREF code, and you can see it keeps it under control a little bit. Here's what most people miss when they try using an EXP. It's not just about using it alone by itself. It's about how well it plays with all the other parameters. Think of it as a spice that you add to your favorite recipe. So when should you use an EXP? Use it when you want more visual interest and detail in your images. Use it when your images feel flat or boring. Use it when you're creating art that needs that extra punch. But here's the part that you need to remember. Don't use it when prompt accuracy is your top priority. Like stylize, higher EXP values can make Midjourney interpret your prompt more creatively. Use values between 10 and 25 for best results. So, do you want some top tips for using the EXP parameter? First, start with an EXP at 15 and adjust from there. For portraits and detailed subjects, try using EXP 10 to 20. For landscapes and abstract concepts, from my testing, EXP 25 to 40 often works best. And one more thing, always compare with and without EXP to see the difference. I know that sounds crazy, but trust me, sometimes the default prompt is exactly what you need. So the EXP parameter isn't just another knob to twist, it's a powerful tool that can transform your Midjourney creations. And now it's your turn. Try adding EXP to your prompts and see what happens. Drop a comment below with your results or any questions that you might have. We're always happy to help. And if you want to dive deeper into Midjourney, check out our Midjourney Experience newsletter and community. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.